How to limit your iPhone to one app with a guided access. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to guide access to a single app, here is what you should do. Let's start by setting up the guide access. Head over to your settings and scroll down until you find accessibility. After that, tap on accessibility. Scroll down again and then under general section, you will see the option of guided access. Tap on it and toggle the option on. Next up, you will have to now set up the passcode settings. To do so, tap on passcode settings and then tap on set guided access account password. Or you can use the face ID as well. You just have to toggle the option on and you're good to go. Likewise, you can tap on time limits to set a sound or spoken announcement for a session end. You can either select on sound and select the sound or toggle on the option of speak. Head back and tap on display auto lock. Tap on it and from here you can enable the options from 30 seconds to 15 minutes or the default time or never as well. Now that you have set up your guided access, you can open the desired app that you want. Just triple click the side button or the home button. Use your finger to circle areas of the screen you wish to disable, and once that is done, start your session from the start button on the application. So this is how you can set up and use or start a guided access session. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.